Hello my darlings, hello my dear friends, hello my subscribers. Today my video will be about my story, about my experience, how I joined LCHF diet. LCHF diet stands for low carb healthy fats, or we might call it ketogenic diet or keto diet. But ketogenic diet and LCHF diet a bit different, but it is from the same family. So my story starts now. Once upon a time in 2011, I started to experience some health problems, some health condition, which was heartburn, acid reflux. It was called gastroesophageal disease, gastroesophageal syndrome, which was accompanied with a lot of bloating and indigestion. And I was trying to cure myself by myself, buying some acidity blockers, gels, and drinking some infusion, and I was hoping it will become fine soon. But it was not improving. Contrary, after some time, I started to have some different symptoms, and the symptoms was such that my food was getting stuck in my esophagus. My food was not able to get down easily through my esophagus to my stomach. Literally, I would take a piece of bread and I would eat it, and it was taking time to go. I was feeling it, how it was going through, and it was heartburn. And sometimes I needed water to drink, so it will help me to swallow it. And I was living with this condition, and it was becoming worse. Till I started to feel that it was really difficult to swallow food. And what we do when we have some concern about our health, when we feel we have some problem, what we do? Google. So I Google. Google is telling me immediately consult the doctor, the problem is very bad. So I consult the doctors and they advise me, let's go for gastroscopy. Gastroscopy will show you on screen. It's a procedure which you will swallow the camera, and on screen you will see what is happening in your esophagus and what is happening in your stomach. So that's what we are doing. And when we are going through the stomach, through the esophagus, I can see that esophagus is so much inflamed. The walls of the esophagus got burned. How it got burned? It's burned so much that it's inflamed, and the path where food's supposed to go through, it got so narrow. So of course food getting stuck, and that's what I'm having such symptoms. So as doctor explained me that the valve which is between our stomach and our esophagus is not functioning for me properly. So it's not anymore preventing juice from stomach to go up into esophagus, and juice is getting into esophagus, and our esophagus is not designed to endure juice acidity, and that's how esophagus got burned with acidity of its stomach juice. What to do now? First advice, you need to sleep on elevated bed. You can't even sleep flat. You need to sleep by sitting. Then you need to be on medication for the next 3 months, including antibiotic and all kind of acidity blockers. So that is a treatment. I started to follow that treatment. That time I was on a diet which was low fat. So I was taking a small sandwich with a low fat spread on it, with a low fat cheese on it, and everything low fat milk, everything is low fat, and everything small quantity. But even by eating that, during the period when I was sick and I was on this medication, I put on weight 10 kgs. 10 kgs weight got increased. Okay, now I'm only thinking, how will I become healthy? And living by this and hoping that it will improve. Then also I was starting experiencing pain on my back. I was guessing where from pain coming, but it was the pain radiating from this problem. It was radiating on my back. Then because of continuous problem in the stomach, you have tendency to change your posture. Even my posture spoiled, and that's how I was living. Then what happened? Thank you God, Once upon a time, I'm meeting my friend in shopping mall who's looking very slim, gorgeous, very nice looking girl. And I'm asking her, wow, darling, you look nice. Tell me your secret. You're taking care of yourself so well. She's telling, listen, do you want to join me for a conference about new nutritional formula? And I always love conference. I love to attend all the conference which will give me new knowledge. So I'm telling yes, of course, and I'm joining her for that conference. And in the conference, end of the conference, will be lunch according to this system of eating, how doctor will be explaining. The conference was run by a doctor, and it was a nutritional doctor. And it was a biggest shock to me that I'm hearing that actually it's okay to eat saturated fats, it's okay to eat ghee, to cook everything on ghee. We need to use virgin coconut oil, and we are not supposed to be afraid of fats. It's okay to eat eggs, and my previous diet was one egg in a week, and now we are talking about eating eggs freely. And I got a lot of shocking news, because we used to believe the saturated fats and any fats is not good for our health and for the cholesterol. Now I'm hearing that actually it's allowed on this diet and there is plenty of things to eat. So I was so happy. I was so motivated. I asked doctor lots of questions, but he explained me in scientific way with a very medical explanation. He gave me reply on all my questions. I was so motivated that after the conference, I gone immediately and I bought all the product necessary, and I started to follow it the same very day. I started to follow LCHF diet, but I was not hoping that I will be getting results soon, or I was not trying to expect results soon. But it came. Like within a few days, when I checked my weight was going down. In 1 week of doing this, my symptoms of gastroesophageal problem, heartburn and bloating just gone. It's gone such way that I didn't even felt that I need medication anymore. And I was like, wow, what a benefits is happening in such a short time. Then I started to follow, and within the next 3 months of following, all my 10 kgs which I took previous 3 months gone. And my health restored to the normal, where I did not need any more acidity blockators, and I was feeling fine. There was no heartburn anymore. I was so happy. I started to advise this diet to my customers. I started to advise to my friends and my family, everyone who followed it well without cheating, all got a very good benefits. And that's how it was going. Then I had a trip. I had a trip abroad for 1 month and 1 week. During that trip, 1 month I was a very good girl. Not cheating, 1 month, everything was going fine. Then on the last week, all my products, all my nuts, everything finished, and I had to eat what was available. During the trip, sometimes you have no choice, and I had to eat. So it's happened like for 1 week, I returned back to my normal way of eating, how everyone eat. And what do you think? Within that week, I started to see that my symptoms are returning back. And even my weight is returning back. So then I came to the conclusion. After 1 week, I realized that it's not wise to stop this wonderful way of eating. And then I got the conclusion that if you want to reap full benefits from LCHF or ketogenic diet, you need to adopt it as a lifestyle. It's not like you do for 1 week or for 1 month. It needs to be a lifestyle. Some people, sometimes they do invent cheating meals, but it depends if you require it. Because even on ketogenic diet, we have so many different variety of food to eat. So we don't even need run to the cheating to try to cheat on this diet. So my darlings, this was my story. And if you like it, if you want to share it with your friends or with your family, please do that, and see you soon again on my next video, where I will share more of my stories from my practice with my customers. So see you soon. Take care. Please like and subscribe. Love you all.